Are you looking to accept online payments on your WordPress site? Integrating Stripe is a powerful and easy way to start accepting payments, whether you're selling products or collecting donations. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you set up Stripe with WordPress. Before you can integrate Stripe with your site, you'll need a Stripe account. Head over to the Stripe website and sign up. Once you're registered, you'll have access to your API keys, which are essential for the connection. Using a plugin is the simplest way to connect Stripe with WordPress. Some top options include: great for one-time and recurring payments, a versatile, easy-to-use plugin for unlimited payment forms, ideal for creating custom forms with payment functionality. To install, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, Add New, search for your preferred Stripe plugin, e.g. WP Full Pay, then click Install Now and activate. Once your plugin is activated, head to the plugin settings page, for example, WP Full Pay settings. Here, enter your publishable and secret API keys from your Stripe account. You can find these in your Stripe dashboard under Developers API Keys. Next, log into your Stripe dashboard and create a product. Go to Products and click on Add Product. Fill in the product details like name, description, price, one-time or recurring, and images. After saving, keep the product ID handy for later. With the plugin, it's time to create your payment forms. In the plugin settings, look for an option to create a new form. Select your product and customize the form fields. After saving, note any shortcodes that are provided. Now, you can add the payment form to your site. Go to Pages, Add New, or edit an existing page. Paste the shortcode provided by your plugin into the page content. Then, publish or update the page to display the payment form. Before you go live, it's important to test your payment process. Enable test mode in your Stripe settings and perform a test transaction using Stripe's test card numbers. This ensures everything works smoothly before accepting real payments. For secure transactions, make sure your WordPress site has an SSL certificate. This is necessary for Stripe to process payments securely and is often a requirement. By following these simple steps, you can integrate Stripe with your WordPress site and start accepting payments effortlessly. Whether you're selling products or collecting donations, this setup ensures your transactions are safe and efficient. Ready to start? Get your Stripe integration set up today.